Welcome to Tapasya Technovation, an innovative IoT-based industrial automation and system integration company. We deliver smarter, faster, and more connected industrial solutions by transforming traditional machines into intelligent, data-driven systems aligned with Industry 4.0. Earlier, critical machine data such as runtime, downtime, production count, and machine health was recorded manually, leading to human errors, delayed reporting, and no real-time or centralized visibility. Manual records also risked data manipulation, resulting in unreliable monitoring and decisions. The lack of digitalization made it difficult to differentiate from competitors, while the absence of predictive maintenance caused unexpected breakdowns, higher repair costs, and productivity losses due to no early warning system. Introducing a high-quality smart battery regenerator with the capacity to process 4, 8, or 16 batteries simultaneously, delivering unmatched precision, reliability, and performance. This advanced system is equipped with a smart inbuilt HMI panel, integrated with an embedded control panel, enabling seamless real-time data acquisition and monitoring. All critical parameters such as voltage, current, temperature, regeneration cycles, and battery health are captured accurately and displayed instantly on the HMI. The smart embedded control panel continuously collects operational data from the integrated HMI and periodically transmits it to the cloud for centralized monitoring and analytics. All machine data is transmitted using secure cloud communication protocols, fully compliant with industry standards such as ISA/IEC 62443, NIST, and EU machine regulation, ensuring robust cybersecurity and regulatory adherence. The system supports multiple cloud platforms, including 3TP, AWS, and Microsoft Azure, offering flexible, scalable, and reliable data routing options based on customer or enterprise requirements. Once data reaches the IoT platform, it becomes accessible through the 3TPS cloud-based Sunk web portal to different types of users. Authorized users can securely access real-time dashboards from anywhere using desktops, tablets, or mobile devices. The admin login ensures authorized control of machines and data, anytime, anywhere. The admin dashboard provides a centralized, real-time view of customers, machines, jobs, and alarms for smarter decision-making. The Machine Information Module provides detailed insights into each regenerator, model, status, usage, and customer mapping for complete lifecycle visibility. The Customer Management Module enables easy onboarding, monitoring, subscription tracking, and controlled machine access. The User Management Module controls roles and permissions, ensuring secure access and smooth team coordination. The production report shows job counts, regenerated batteries, and daily trends to analyze productivity and improve efficiency. Visual analytics convert data into insights with interactive charts showing battery output and job performance trends. The machine map provides a real-time geographic view of machine locations, status, and activity across regions. The Machine Info Report gives a clear overview of machines, customer mapping, subscriptions, usage, and operational status. The Machine Production Report tracks job counts and regenerated batteries over time to analyze performance and productivity. The Machine Subscription Report tracks subscription status, enabled modes, and remaining hours for accurate usage and billing control. Customer admin portals for complete monitoring, control, and decision-making from anywhere. The Customer Admin Dashboard offers a real-time view of machine status, battery and job counts, alarms, and system health. The Machine Map lets customers view real-time machine locations and status for complete operational visibility. The Machine Request Module lets customers view available machines, check status, and request deployment. The Machine Subscription Report lets customers track subscription status, enabled modes, and remaining hours. The Machine Production Report shows daily job counts and battery regeneration to evaluate productivity. At customer end, operator user can also access the web portal for real-time monitoring of job data. Secure Operator Login enables authorized access to assigned machines with real-time monitoring. The operator dashboard shows live machine status, cycle count, pending hours, and regenerated batteries in real time. The operator dashboard provides a real-time view of daily battery output and operational trends. Interactive charts show cycle counts and regeneration performance over the last 7 days. The production report shows machine-wise daily cycles and battery counts for performance review and accurate records. The job detail report shows battery count, voltage, current, cycle time, and execution details for full traceability. This IoT-based solution delivers real-time, fast, and fully automated machine monitoring by capturing critical operational and machine health data through an IoT integrated embedded solution. The data is securely transferred in real time using encrypted protocols, enabling live dashboards, instant alerts, and automated daily and monthly reports, providing complete visibility for admins, customers, and operators from anywhere. Tapasya Technovation, empowering industries with intelligent IoT solutions, transforming machines into smart assets and data into powerful insights. Innovating today for a smarter industry tomorrow.